I am in. I am in the city. I am in the car. I am in the club. I am in the zoo. I am in the pool. I am in the park. I am in the gym. I am in the lake. I am in the river. I am in the cafe. I am in the store. I am in the hotel. I am in the office. I am in the forest. I am in the ocean. I am in the desert. I am in the airport. I am in the library. I am in the kitchen. I am in the country. I am in the garden. I am in the garage. I am in the hospital. I am in the stadium. I am in the elevator. I am in the museum. I am in the bedroom. I am in the bathroom. I am in the restaurant. I am in the mountains. I am in the classroom. I am in the living room. I am in the supermarket. I am in the office at work. I am in the movie theater. I am in the kitchen at home. I am in the park on a bench. I am in the ocean on a boat. I am in the hotel in the lobby. I am in the hospital on a visit. I am in the hospital on a visit. I am in the hotel on vacation. I am in the office at my desk. I am in the airport at the gate. I am in the desert on a safari. I am in the club on a night out. I am in the kitchen at the stove. I am in the gym on the treadmill. I am in the city on a busy street. I am in the restaurant on a date. I am in the classroom at school. I am in the bedroom on my bed. I am in the stadium in the stands. I am in the river on a fishing trip. I am in the park on a sunny day. I am in the garden on the swing. I am in the garage near the tools. I am in the country on a road trip. I am in the bathroom by the sink. I am in the classroom at the front. I am in the stadium on game day. I am in the library at a quiet table. I am in the cafe on a coffee break. I am in the garage on a rainy day. I am in the forest on a nature walk. I am in the elevator on the way up. I am in the library at the university. I am in the country on a quiet road. I am in the car in the driver's seat. I am in the living room on the floor. I am in the bathroom on the phone. I am in the lake on a swimming day. I am in the pool by the diving board. I am in the museum near the exhibit. I am in the zoo at the lion enclosure. I am in the car on the way to school. I am in the living room on the couch. I am in the zoo on a school field trip. I am in the gym on a fitness journey. I am in the airport on a business trip. I am in the ocean with my surfboard. I am in the city on a shopping spree. I am in the mountains on a rocky trail. I am in the forest under the tall trees. I am in the pool on a hot summer day. I am in the museum on a cultural tour. I am in the store on a shopping spree. I am in the hospital in the waiting area. I am in the desert surrounded by sand. I am in the elevator on the ground floor. I am in the river fishing with my friends. I am in the garden on a warm afternoon. I am in the store at the checkout counter. I am in the supermarket on a grocery run. I am in the movie theater in the back row. I am in the movie theater on a movie night. I am in the supermarket in the fruit section. I am in the mountains on a hiking adventure.